guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be generally putting together the 2018 vision board. If you aren't aware what this is, it's actually based on the law of attraction. So if you want to learn how I put mine together, then keep on watching. Right, so the things we're going to need are a little wireframe that we got from Primark, and I also spent quite a little bit of time printing out some little bits and pieces. I've got my little pegs here. The grey ones obviously came on the board, and I've got some spare gold ones that I use for Christmas cards. So for anybody that doesn't know what the law of attraction is, it's basically a belief that if you focus on something that you want, and it includes negative thoughts as well, so you have to try and expel anything negative. People can bring the positive experiences into your life, but as I say, it also includes negative, so you have to be careful what you ask for. It's basically people believe that it's made from pure energy, and that's what thoughts are made of. So obviously you can't say that you want to have something, because you always end up staying in that wanted state. You have to think as if you have something, as if you already have it. You have to live it and breathe it and believe that you already have it, and then the universe will bring that to you. I always explain it to people in the terms of, you know, there's always that person that's got that really bubbly personality, and they seem to attract more of the same sort of people, that same bubbly personality. It's that sort of vibe. So it always depends on what sort of vibration you're giving out. So if you're giving out really positive, sort of energetic, happy, those sort of thoughts, then you're only going to attract the same sort of thing. So that's basically what it is. If you want to know a little bit more about this, you can obviously go and Google it. And if you want to look at a video, then I would recommend watching The Secret. Anyway, let's get started with the video. A couple of things that I want in 2018 and beyond as well. So it's not just about achieving them in 2018. It's starting to get that vibration going and starting to breathe it and live it. Is obviously, I do a little bit of pole dancing on a Tuesday night, and I basically want to improve on that. And obviously it says every pro was once a beginner. As you can see, she's doing an amazing move there that I cannot do. I can do some okay stuff, but yeah, I can't do that just yet. But I'm going to get there. I will get there. See the difference? I will get there. So yeah, so that's for me. That's what I want to do with my pole. So I want to really take it to the next level. Obviously I want to improve my YouTube views, so that's something else. I know we're going to be doing this year anyway, but obviously I want it to go smoothly. But obviously we're doing some renovations in the summer. I'm going to be putting a pergola in our garden, so obviously this is sort of an idea of how I want it to look, so that's something else. Obviously one of my other things is I want to grow my channel. I'm trying to keep it realistic, so I've sort of said 10,000 subscribers if possible. I mean, I'm happy to have more. And the other thing that I want to do is that, obviously, you know, those people that follow me on Slimming World Progress, I want to get in shape. And the plan is as well is that we are converting the garage into a gym, because at the minute I'm not a member of a gym. There's not enough room indoors to sort of be jumping around, so there's a lot of wasted space out there. So instead of going on holiday this year, we are going to convert the garage into a gym, which is more of a long-term investment. So there's a couple of things that I'm going to start. So it's placing all our lovely ideas on the board. Now my board's not massive. I mean, you can use a piece of card if you wanted to add more on there, but I don't want to overload it with I'm obviously going to put the year on there. I'm going to clip that on. So I'm going to start positioning everything. Obviously I put my 2018 at the top there, just slotted out, obviously placing the items on. There's something else about pole dancing, my YouTube. So I'm going to put in the middle. I'm not going to use everything that I've got here. I've actually got an abundance of everything, but I'm going to pick out my favourite ones and put them in place. Right, so this is everything. So if we just look in, we've got your vibe attracts your tribe. So obviously that means we're going to attract more followers, more friends, give it that positive vibe. There's the a lovely ideal gym that I would love in my garage. It's obviously not going to be as lovely as that, but you know, you've got to dream big, I suppose. Financial freedom. Who doesn't want financial freedom? you know, you no longer have to worry about money. That would be amazing. Obviously, we've got the garden pergola, we've got Girl Boss. Be the girl that decided to go for it, you know, because you only get one opportunity. Well, opportunities are coming all the time, but you need to be taking them, if you know what I mean. You are beautiful. Always remember that you are beautiful inside and out. We fall in love by chance, we stay in love by choice. That's about me and Sam. Obviously, want to sustain our relationship and to keep being in love as we always are. There we go, 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2018. This is for friends, especially my friend Vicky. You can always find comfort in the hand and heart of a friend. So obviously we've got me wanting to get fit. We've got my pole dance, every pro always wants a beginner. The body achieves what the mind believes. So obviously you've got to believe in order to achieve. I want to see my views going up this year. We've got the lovely Amber Shawl statement. I love her channel. But what if it doesn't come true? But what if it does? Thank you, Amber. I'm using it on my 2018 vision board. Then we've got another pole dance one. Believe deep down in your heart that you're destined to do great things. That's a lovely one. Strength doesn't come from what you do. It comes from doing what you thought you couldn't do. How true is that? Oh, and sorry, I forgot about this one. And obviously that's the body that I would like to have, or something along that lines. That line's definitely aimed towards something like that. So that's my 2018 vision board. So it's never too late to start your vision board. So get started today. Think about what you want. Cut out those pictures, the ones that inspire you and that gives you positivity, and get them put down on a vision board. It can just be a piece of card, like I said before. I've used some sticky tape as well to hold this in place because there wasn't enough room for the little pegs, but I've still put a few little decorative pegs on there too because it looks pretty. And there we have it. So there's the 2018 vision board. I'm going to prop it up somewhere that I can see every single day to remind me of the visions that I want for this year. So that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. And if you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. Thank you everybody for watching, all you new subscribers as well. And I will see you all for the next video. Bye. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is, what is today's video? We're putting a little bit of a, let's get my words out. We're putting a pergola on our outside.